Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's video is all about the look that I'm wearing right now. It's a nice smoky look with nothing too intense, but yes, a use of liquid glitter on my eyes, and I wanted to create that Arabic thing using that tape and I loved it. In case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. Who doesn't like wonderful glow on face? I love it too. So I'm going to create beautiful luminous dewy skin, and for that I'm going to use MAC Studio Moisture Cream and Iconic Illuminator in the shade Original. I'm going to mix both of these together and I'm going to apply it all over the face using this Huda brush. For my foundation, I'm using Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation and my shade is a light. I'm going to apply it with a damp beauty blender all over my face. This foundation was definitely my favorite almost 6 months back, but somehow I forgot using this foundation and now I again saw it in my drawer and I love this foundation. For my color correction, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury corrector in the shade Medium. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, around my nose. And for the concealer, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. I'm going to apply it on all high points of the face and yes, under my eyes as well. Now we come to contouring, and for the contour today I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to blend this contour using this iris brush. And now I don't want my under eyes to crease, so for this I'm just using Laura Mercier translucent powder in very little quantity just under my eyes. Now we come to eyes, but before that let me do my brows, and for my brows today I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 5. For the eyes, to create that Arabic elongated look, I am going to take this Scotch tape. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Voss, and it was in collaboration with Laura Lee. I'm going to take this color and apply it in the crease line, but I will make sure that I take it till the corner of the eyebrows so that it gives my eyes a much more elongated look. The next color is this one, which is a little deeper color, and I'm going to apply it again in the crease line, but I'm not going to bring it too much in the inner corner. And now finally this darker color, which I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner of the eye and keep blending it. I am also going to take these colors on the lower lash line, and I don't have to worry about this eyeshadow being spread because I have already secured it with a tape. For the inner lid of the eye, I'm using the MAC Dazzleshadow liquid in the shade Everyday Sunshine. I'm going to apply it and blend it with a brush. This looks so beautiful. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm using this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in the shade Pink Sands. And I'm going to take this gold color and apply it in the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to use the same shade on the brow bone as well. I'm going to do my lashes off screen, but the lashes that I'm using today is Wink Me lashes in Boho Bride. Now we come to blush, and for the blush, my current favorite is definitely this one from Buxom. This is in the shade Dolly. And now for the face highlight, again I'm using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Pink Sands. Now we come to lips. For my lips, I'm going to lip line with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in number 07. And it is called Lost in Love. I'm going to fill the lips with the same color as well. But on top of this, I am going to apply the Iris Lip Glaze in the shade Bestie. Iris lip glazes are beautiful, the formula is great, they don't stick, and the colors are very, very pretty. So this is the final look right in front of you with good voluminous lashes, that liquid glitter on my eyes, and a perfect pout. I loved creating this look. In case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.